Oh, this one's good.
What is it, Sam?
I don't know.
Wow. What is it? Is that a luchador? Like a real life luchador mask?
Maybe. I know. I think I know this one. Rey Mysterio.
What?
Got a Rey Mysterio mask.
That's Rey Mysterio mask?
Yeah. I don't know this one. It's another luchador mask.
Hey Sam.
What?
These are all professional, made by a professional man that makes luchador masks. They're not anybody's masks but yours.
Oh, so basically I can just interwrestle Alec. Can't I? Oh, yes. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice one.
Hey, we're gonna tie it. No, you're not. Let me see. Oh, let me see. Turn here. Wow. And you can look. You can lace it up the back to make it fit your head better.
Sweet. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This one looks familiar.
Oh, it's that dude.
That's from Nacho Libre.
Yeah. The movie.
Yep.
Oh, whoa, look at this. We'll try this one on as well.
That one's Hysteria, I believe. Hysteria.
Oh my gosh, I love this. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Well, this one's got some soft.
It's got hair on it. What the heck? Put it on. Put that one on real quick.
That looks like it could be Psychosis, maybe.
No,
No, it's not Psychosis.
maybe.
This is gonna be tied to your head. Let's see. Hey, here. Go
Oh,
down.
jeez.
Here. I can't see.
It's a bit crooked.
Is that it?
Nope, there's one more in there.
This is so cool.
Whoa.
This one's probably one of the best.
That looks like maybe La Parca.
La Parca. What's
Here,
that?
it goes like this. Here.
Who's La Parca? Get that off. Oh yeah, I definitely know. I definitely.
Oops.
I wonder how it look.
Is this one on? Ooh. Hold on. I'll show you. Put your hand down.
That's creepy.
I know. Wow.
Oh gosh, I lost my glasses.
You put